Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to prevent a group owner from deleting stories in your Telegram group on the PC app using the latest update. If you want to keep your group's stories safe and make sure only the right people can manage them, follow these simple steps. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account and ready to go. Next, find the group where you are the owner. Click on the group to open the chat window. At the top right corner of the group chat, you'll see 3 dots. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu, then select Manage Group. This will take you to the group's management settings, where you can control everything about your group. Inside the management menu, look for the Administrators section and click on it. Here, you'll see a list of all admins, including yourself as the owner. Now, click on your own name in the list. This will open the permissions and settings specific to your owner account. Scroll down until you find the Manage Stories section. Under this, you'll see the option labeled Delete Stories of Others. By default, this permission might be enabled, allowing you to delete any story posted by group members. To prevent the group owner from deleting stories, simply disable the Delete Stories of Others option. Once you've turned this off, the owner will no longer be able to remove stories posted by other members in the group. Finally, don't forget to click Save to apply your changes. Your group stories are now protected, and only those you choose will have the power to manage or delete them. That's it. Your Telegram group is now set up so the owner can't delete stories from other members. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it with other group admins and keep your group stories safe for everyone to enjoy.